guys, and welcome to Arizona Rock Garden Designs with me, Julie E. And tonight we're going to be doing a little sink strainer type colander pour. I'm going to try it on this one first, this little Dollar Tree canvas, little 8x10 Dollar Tree canvas. And let me grab this one. And if that works out, then we'll try and recreate it on one of my 8x8 American Art 1.5 deep square canvases. So, yeah, so hear that? Tight as a drum they are. I love them. Okay, set that aside. Focus on this one right now. Alright, let's lay out our colors really quick. Put that up there. And first we've got this one over here. Right here. Can you see that? There we go. That one. That is a combination of Artist Loft Glow White and DecoArt Satin Enamels. And that is pure white. Okay. Whoop. Next, we've got this pretty pink shade right there. Pink. That bright pink one is the Sargent Art Magenta and a couple drops of Quinacridone Magenta Golden High Flow Acrylics. So that's that one. This one, that is the Arteza Pearl Tulip. Very pretty color. Then the bright yellow one there, that is Sargent Art Acrylic Paint Spectral Yellow with a couple drops of the Benzimidazolone Yellow Light, and that is Golden Fluid Acrylics. Okay, let's see, this one right there, that deep blue, that is a new one I'm trying. That's what this whole test is about. I want to see how it plays with all the other colors. I just got it in yesterday. It is DecoArt Americana Satin Enamels, and it is Dark Denim. So I want to see how it plays with all of these different kinds of colors together. And brands. I want to see how it plays with the brands too. This pretty light green is Pastel Green, Pearl Pastel Green by Arteza. This pretty shade of blue, pretty turquoise, that is Turquoise by Sargent Art Acrylic Paint. And then here, my nemesis, I will conquer it, I swear, is Orange, Spectral Orange by Sargent Art Acrylics. Last but not least, this one, I don't know if I'll use it or not. Where are my bottles? I had my bottles out. It's a combination of the Rust-Oleum metallic accents in black garnet, and the other it's mixed with is Artist Loft, there it is, Artist Loft Copper. So that's what this one is, a combination of those two. Okay. So those are the colors we're going to play with. I don't know if I'm going to use them all. Don't know if I'll use them all, but I'm going to use some of them. Now I picked up this cute little thing at Ace this weekend. It's pretty cute. I don't know if this can come out or not. I don't think so. Nope. No, the blossom does not come off. Okay, so we're stuck with the blossom. Might be a cool thing, you never know. Okay, let's do it this one. Let's go with the denim first. Go with the denim first. There is a towel. There we go. Okay. Now, should I just pour it straight into the blossom and let it trickle down? Almost like a bottle bottom pour with a combined with the colander pour. Oh, what the hell. Let's go for it. There we go. Right over the flower. Oops, pardon my French. I didn't realize I just swore. Sorry. Alright, then let's go with the pretty blue, pretty turquoise. That is a pretty shade. Alright. Which one do I want to go with next? Let's go with this one. That might actually be pretty, having that metallic there. They're really dark colors all together though. It's going to look strange with all the brightness coming in. We'll see. Like I said, it's an experiment. Mostly just want to see how the DecoArt denim plays with everything. Let's go with this light green first. Pretty shade. Okay. Come on, over that way a little bit. Want some on that side too. It's not flowing evenly going over the flower blossom for some reason. Okay, bright yellow? Maybe, kinda, sorta. Okay. And yeah, let's go with pink. I want to go with some denim again. And it's pretty cool Tulip. Now, you guys are writing down what order I'm putting these all in, right? So we can remember for the for the 8x8, right? That's your job, to help me remember what order we went in with these. Okay, I'm gonna put in the orange. Oh, what a muddy mess that is on top, huh? Alright. Now I think we've got plenty on here to cover this. It's all kind of moving to one side. And not much came out this end. Okay. Yeah, that is the weirdest color combination though. Eesh. Okay. You gotta excuse my terminology right here for a moment, but I'm looking at this and it's saying to me, fugly! I am who I am, I can't change who I am. That's the word, the first word that comes to mind looking at it. Except for that cute flower there. That cute little flower in the center is cute. But all this around here and stuff, looking all weird and everything, yeah. That's the first word that came to mind. Alright. Tilt. all coming off, so that's a good thing. Well, it's very orange. Yeah, my least favorite color it is. Oh, that's hilarious. It's kind of cool though, in its own way. That is different, that's for sure. Yeah, I don't think I want to recreate that on the 8x8. Sorry. This might be a one and done on this one. Yeah, I think we're gonna have to do a different color combination. 'Cause I'm not feeling this one. No way, no how. I'm keeping it though. I want to see what it'll do. Oh, I'm getting some cells right in there. Alright, I'm gonna torch it, see what happens. Yeah, that dark blue is the denim, that DecoArt denim, DecoArt Americana. Maybe I should stretch it out more. Uh-oh, got a little area where I over-torched, I think. Right there. I think well, that's going through here too. Okay, stuff's happening. We're gonna leave it. We're gonna leave it and let stuff happen. Neat. Very curious. All right. Oh. Yeah, so no 8x8 tonight until I know exactly what this stuff is going to do, but can you see some of those cool cells that are coming up through there? Yeah, it's cooking under there. It's doing something. There's no silicone in these, but I got some really cool transparency. There's some really neat stuff happening. Okay, here's the first one. This is wet results so far. Oh, ignore my butterscotch wrapper. Yeah, can you see the divots? Almost like what silicone would make. I have got weird divots throughout this. This was that first little sink strainer pour, and then all along the outer edge of the canvas. Just the oddest thing. Yeah. Got some pretty cells and really cool transparency. Look at that in there. Is that neat? How cool is that? Those cells. Ugh. Don't like it one. Hey, I'm back with dry results, and yeah, don't like this at all. Not one bit. Yeah, I don't care for what the white stills did and everything. And then, of course, like always with anything orange I do, I got splits. So I'm not happy with that. And the sides, yuck, just nasty. Yeah, so not happy with this test. I never get happy results when I use orange. Let me take the flash off. There we go. Oh, that got really dark. But yeah, I don't think it's the result of the new blue DecoArt Americana Satin Enamel that I'm using. I'm not sure what caused it. I don't know if it was my white. I don't know if it was that Rust-Oleum that we put in there. It was one of the first colors in. I don't know. I need to figure it out so that it doesn't happen on other paintings. Okay guys, thanks for hanging out with me and living through my victories and my failures. I appreciate it, and I appreciate you. Till next time guys, loves and hugs y'all. Bye.